If this subscriber can beat Ronaldo in a 1v1, I'm going to give him $1 million. In this video, you are going to see the greatest, oh my gosh, the strongest, and the fastest athletes on the entire planet compete against normal people, starting with Tom Brady. Ready to meet your opponent?
Tom Brady. Tom Brady. C'est une légende, hein, Tom Brady, pour ceux qui savent pas. Légende du football américain.
Let's go.
Right over here, high school football player Jake is your opponent. You're each gonna take turns throwing a football at these balloons. First to pop all four wins this $100,000.
Impossible qu'il gagne.
7 Super Bowl rings prove he's the
Toujours
greatest
plus.
quarterback.
Mr. Beast.
Are just a little bit smaller. Jake obviously should throw first because he doesn't have 7 Super Bowl rings. Try to pop that first balloon. The first 1v1 begins right now.
That was the easiest
Good
one.
throw.
All right, Tom, you're up.
All right, here we go.
Oh, you got it. That happens so fast.
Je sais pas pourquoi il est choqué, c'est Tom Brady, hein.
Oh my gosh! Two for two!
There we go.
Bro, he's making it look
there we
easy.
go.
Tom, he's your enemy. Stop
That
fist
was
bumping
good.
him.
I mean, I'm impressed.
20 yards, which for Tom should just be a routine. Oh, bro, he actually missed.
I blame the rain. Wait, did you call that rain in?
Nope, but I did call in Jake's high school football team to cheer him on. Help him beat Brady. Jake, Jake, Jake,
Come on, Jake.
Jake. Oh! Oh!
Hey, good try.
Tom, surely you're not going to miss the second time.
I should.
Waouh. Il aurait pu dire j'ai battu Tom Brady, mais bon, c'est dommage pour lui. Il était dans des histoires aussi, mais ça a pas l'air d'être si important. Qui ça, Tom Brady était dans des histoires? Non, mais ils essaient de mettre tout le monde dans des histoires, là.
Easy. All right, it's now tied up.
This one's a one. I know it. This one's a one.
Oh!
On peut pas mettre le GOAT dans des histoires.
Good throw, Jake.
Just
Good
short.
throw.
All right, Tom, you can start trying.
Il a la retraite, hein.
Looking good for our boy Jay. You really gotta dig
Il a la
deep, man.
retraite, mais il a toujours ce bras.
I know.
That $100,000's gonna go to charity. Do you guys believe in him?
Ouf.
He hasn't won yet, and it's Tom's throw. 50 yards.
That's a long way, Jim.
45 mètres, ok.
Whoa, that's disrespectful. You gonna take that? Not gonna lie, I thought Brady, the greatest quarterback to ever,
Hi, Mary.
would breeze through
Ah,
this
il a
entire
foiré.
challenge. But nailing a 50-yard dime for any level quarterback was not going to be easy.
Jake, that was a
À deux doigts de pouvoir dire j'ai battu Tom Brady. À deux doigts.
You're not gonna get that many chances with this
I
man.
know.
Take advantage of it.
Oh.
Tom's getting closer and closer. It's the biggest.
C'est fou, hein. Je sais pas si vous avez entendu, il criait overrated, en mode genre surcoté, surcoté, surcoté. Genre jamais de ta vie tu cries surcoté sur Tom Brady, vous êtes fous, quoi.
Moment of your life. You hit that, you beat Tom Brady, you win $100,000 in front of your high school and 200 million people watching.
Vas-y.
You got this.
All day.
Il y a eu le rebond, mais bon.
Congrats on beating Tom Brady, winning $100,000. We have so many more amazing athletes in this video, including the greatest football player to ever play the sport, Cristiano Ronaldo. But before that, let's go see a normal human race the literal fastest man in the world.
L'homme le plus
This
rapide
is
du
Noah
monde.
Lyles, a triple world champion and Olympic gold medalist, who is currently the fastest human on Earth. Nobody on the planet can beat him in a 1v1. And for $100,000, he's gonna be racing Jonah.
Si. Yo, Noah Lyles, c'est celui-là qui a dit World Champion of what? Quand les joueurs NBA disaient ah, on est les plus forts du monde. Voilà, c'est ça. Champion of the world of what? Exact. Bon voilà, t'as exactement le bon sentence.
My friend,
Avait-il tort?
if Noah wins, I'll give
Of
money
the
to charity.
United
If
States?
Jonah wins,
Quand il le dit là.
bank account. But Jonah
Come
has a
on, man.
negative 200 chance of
United States?
which is why we're going to give him a handicap. This race is going to be 200 meters. But Jonah, of course,
Non, il est bon.
for a price. You see, every 10 meters you
Après, on va se dire la vérité, ils ont bien répondu parce qu'ils sont partis au JO. Et au JO, ils ont tout éclaté. Hein. Enfin, ils ont tout éclaté. Ils ont eu chaud quand même contre la Serbie. Genre, c'est la Serbie, ouais, c'est ça. Ils ont eu chaud contre les Serbes. Mais sinon, au JO, Ils marchaient sur l'eau, tu voyais vraiment qu'ils étaient à un niveau au-dessus. Ils ont perdu aucun match. Donc au final,
Shave off your total distance will cost you $10,000 of your prize money. Let's say you want to start right here. This is a 10-meter head start.
Smoked within 5 seconds.
Okay. The next one. What about $80,000?
Cooked.
I actually think if you want a chance to win, you should probably do this. 40 grand is like a good chunk of change. You can buy a new car.
Okay, 40 it is. We're doing it.
Your official starting point will be right here. Giving
Après,
you a
les USA, c'est
60-meter
connu
head
qu'ils
start
prennent
and the chance to win
pour le centre du monde.
$40,000.
he's gonna catch a cramp before we get to the end.
Ouais, c'était serré contre la France en finale. Mais c'était serré jusqu'à quand? Jusqu'à qu'on donne la balle à Steph. Et Steph, il dit, ok, ben, ça va plus être serré. Steph, il est tellement au-dessus. C'est même pas normal d'être au-dessus comme ça. J'ai jamais vu ça. C'est juste, il marche sur l'eau, Steph.
How do you do this?
Your feet go on the pads.
He definitely has about half a football field on me. This is gonna be closer than probably most people think.
Okay,
Attendez, il a pris combien?
ready? Let's see if Jonah can beat the fastest man on the planet for 40 grand. On your mark, get set, and they're off. Oh, Jonah's off. Jonah's off.
He's gonna get me.
Jonah, go, 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 go.
Il court pour sa vie.
Run.
Il y a un Renoir qui court.
He's gonna get me, dog. He's coming. He's coming.
Go, go,
He's gonna get me.
Wesh.
Jonah, run.
Non, il va perdre. Oh, le bâtard.
He jogged to the finish line.
That wasn't even close. Oh my god. Bro, it's like racing a cheetah. Throw me over your shoulder.
I can't. Why are you so sweaty? Ew. Yo, he's on the ground.
Même se lever. Même se lever, il peut plus.
Let me die.
Noah
Yo, lève-toi.
is donated to his charity. And by the way, we're bringing back Noah Lyles later in this video.
Attendez, il a sacrifié combien en fait? C'est ça que je veux capter. Il a sacrifié combien? Attendez, j'ai pas bien compris. Il a pris combien? 40 000. Ok. Pff, en vrai, il aurait même pris 20 000. Ça aurait rien changé. Hein. Il était vraiment pas au niveau. On va se dire les vraies affaires là.
Oh, he's taunting him. He jogged to the finish line.
That wasn't even close.
Yo, he's on the ground.
Même se lever, il peut pas, wesh.
Later in this video to race the fastest streamer on Earth. I show speed. But for now, let's go hit baseball with Bryce Harper.
Tous les titres de champion ont l'appellation de World, non? Non, pas tous les titres. Bah, quand t'es champion d'Europe, t'es champion d'Europe. Quand t'es champion... Quand tu gagnes aux Jeux Olympiques, c'est pas champion du monde, hein, c'est être olympien.
For our next 1v1, we have arguably the greatest hitter on the entire planet, Big Justice. He has been terrorizing his little league, and going up against Big Justice is one of the most lethal hitters baseball.
Ouais, c'est vrai, la plupart du temps, ouais, ils aiment bien dire World et tout, mais c'est une erreur. Enfin, c'est une erreur. C'est une erreur volontaire de leur part. Hein. C'est mieux pour le marketing et tout, mais... Voilà. Après, c'est vrai que... Dans tous les sports... Après, dans tous les sports américains, ils sont au-dessus. Football, basketball, baseball, hockey, le hockey sur glace aussi, ils sont au-dessus. Tous ces sports-là, franchement... Non, justement, comme j'ai dit, tous les sports américains et foot, non, ils sont pas dedans. Voilà, foot, justement, eh ben, ils sont pas au-dessus du tout. Mais, méfiez-vous, parce que là-bas, quand ils s'intéressent à un sport et qu'ils commencent à mettre des vrais programmes sportifs dans leur école pour ces sports-là, c'est mort. Genre, s'ils font un programme, s'ils font des écoles où c'est aussi sérieux que le basket, c'est mort. Ça va jouer au foot tout le temps, ça va manger foot, il y aura des installations pour le foot. Mais pour l'instant, l'Europe, c'est encore beaucoup trop loin. La compétition, elle est encore beaucoup trop loin. Mais ils peuvent. S'ils s'intéressent et qu'ils commencent à mettre le budget dessus, c'est mort.
Has ever seen. Holy.
Wait, this is not fair.
I'm ready.
Bryce Harper's Hall of Fame level batting power
Bryce
allowed
Harper.
him to hit over 300 home runs, earning him 2 MVP titles, 8 All-Star bids, and even
J'ai des gars qui ont pris de l'argent sur des bêtes grâce à lui.
which is why you guys are gonna be going head to head in a home run derby.
I'm doomed.
Nah, you got this.
But Big Justice is half of Bryce Harper's size, which is why his fence.
Vous savez pourquoi ça va pas pousser Vous savez pourquoi moi je crois pas au football ici? Au football en Amérique en général? C'est à cause des pubs. Si vous avez déjà regardé les sports américains, ils bombardent les pubs, ils bombardent les pubs, ils bombardent les pubs, ils bombardent les pubs. Le football, eh ben, c'est pas... Le sport est pas assez... Les règles du sport, il n'y a pas assez de temps mort, il n'y a pas assez de trucs comme ça qui permettent de mettre des pubs. Si vous vous êtes déjà posé devant un match de football américain, un seul match, ça peut vraiment durer 2-3 heures des fois. Et ils bombardent les pubs. C'est pour ça qu'ils font autant d'oseille. Voilà, c'est ça. Un match NBA laisse tomber les pubs. Pourtant, je kiffe la NBA, mais il y a trop de pubs des fois. Ça casse la tête. Mais justement, c'est grâce à ces pubs-là qu'ils arrivent à manger. Grâce à tous les temps morts. Ils forcent pour avoir des temps morts. Si une équipe, eh ben, elle prend pas de temps mort, l'arbitre, eh ben, il va prendre un temps mort pour l'équipe. Et ça va permettre justement à ce qu'on puisse lancer un instant pub. Super Bowl, 3h30 de show. 1 heure pour le match. Exactement, c'est ça. Après, le Super Bowl de l'année passée, j'ai grave kiffé. J'ai vraiment kiffé le comeback et tout de Pat Mahomes. Non, c'était stylé. Il me dit, tu ramènes pas... Oh, non. Regardez l'Euroleague basket. Il y a moins de pubs. Il y a moins de pubs. Le jeu, il est fluide. Et d'ailleurs, c'est pour ça que j'ai kiffé les JO, parce que le jeu, il était super fluide. Il y avait moins de temps mort. Il y avait moins d'arrêts de jeu. Le jeu était trop fluide pendant les JO. Pour moi, c'était le sport numéro 1 des JO.
We're going down.
Let's go get
C'est ça, ça doit être un show, ça doit être un spectacle, ça dure longtemps. Je sais pas si vous avez déjà été voir un match NBA en direct, si vous êtes déjà allé sur un terrain et tout, mais pendant que les gens, eux, ils regardent les pubs, nous, sur le terrain, il y a ça nous lance des t-shirts, il y a des chorégraphies, il y a du show, il y a des chansons, il y a des gens qui chantent, il y a plein de trucs, c'est lourd.
Justice wins, we're gonna wire him $100,000. If Bryce Harper
Une
wins,
tempête, je
we're
crois pas,
gonna
mais
donate
ouais, il y a
$100,000
moyen que
charity
la France gagne.
Oh, well then I kind of want Bryce
Il y a
Harper.
grave moyen.
You both
Ça
have
va
to
se jouer entre
play
le
first.
Canada et la France.
Think about the Pokemon card.
Et les États-Unis, pour moi.
Big Justice might be screwed.
Yeah, no, Big Justice has no chance.
I'm so scared.
Yes, 10
C'est ça, la kiss cam, il y a tout ça.
Oh, that's more of a rainbow, I think.
Down.
Oh.
Oh for 1. He's not perfect. Oh,
Chandler, that's you.
Catch it, bro. I ain't catching that.
it hit the wall. $100,000 on the line.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
That might be a home run right there, bro.
No.
1 for 3. Try to get in his head.
No.
Get up.
It's gonna hit the fence.
Get up.
That was like a foot from going over.
C'est le premier à faire un home run.
Oh, that is out of the park.
Bro, that was so cool.
Enfin, faire plus de home run.
Oh, 2 for 6. It stayed in the Little League field.
You're so good, Bryce.
That it's out of the stadium. I think they need to make bigger stadiums for Bryce.
You got this. Yes.
Oh, 3 for 8.
If he only hits 3,
You have a shot. Oh, that did not work.
that's gonna hit the guitar.
Les gars font ça toute la journée.
Let's see if he goes 5 for 10.
C'est une fois que j'habite dans un village où il y a un stade de baseball.
This.
4.
Tu joues au baseball un peu?
Oh man, I'm tired.
Here we go.
Go get him.
Big Justice might beat Bryce
En France, c'est rare,
Harper.
hein, en plus des terrains de foot. Je crois même, je savais même pas que les gars ils jouaient au baseball là-bas.
Secretly cheering for you. You got this. All right.
The only problem with that, he's not even wearing your number.
It just wardrobe malfunction.
5 home runs. Big Justice is gonna bring the boom.
25. Are you ready?
Come on, buddy.
Du coup, j'ai bien aimé, mais je te rends pas les déplacements qu'elle a fait. Ouais, le baseball, c'est un sport différent.
Do that 4 more times. Ah. 1 for 2.
Hey, that's a rocket though.
No.
C'est un sport différent de ce qu'on joue en Europe.
Come on, you got this.
Oh, another one.
That's the home run. Let's go. Woo!
Let's go, baby. Come on. 3 more and he wins.
I believe in Big Justice.
You got this!
You're halfway there.
Eh mais il gère le petit hein.
2 more and he wins.
You got this!
Ok non il a foiré.
Come on,
3
baby.
for 6.
Get it done. Come on.
3 for
C'est un latino non le petit?
Is there anything you want to say to your son?
You
We
got
want to say
this!
Big Justice, bring the
Come on, baby.
Je me demande comment ça les ligues en France.
That worked. The boom.
Bring that boom, baby.
Best moment of my life.
You have 2.
C'est un latino, les latinos ils aiment trop le baseball.
2 over. You win.
Come on, you got this.
Come on, baby. One more. Let's go right here. End it right here, baby.
Keep going. That's the home run, baby. Let's go.
Il a ramené l'oseille à la daronne.
Keep going. You just beat Bryce Harper.
En plus home run.
I did not know there was confetti there. That scared me. Did that scare you?
He's so happy.
That was sick. But just wait until you watch.
Fun fact. Vous savez que les investisseurs numéro 1 en République Dominicaine, eh ben, c'était les joueurs de MLB. Genre la plupart, eh ben, il y a plein de Dominicains là-bas et quand ils ont leur bon contrat, ils commencent tous à investir sur leur île. Ils investissent dans des restos, ils investissent dans des hôtels, ils investissent dans des petites entreprises. Ouais, les crickets, c'est les Indiens et les Anglais. Du coup, je me retrouvais à faire des déplacements de 7 heures. Trop de contraintes pour faire en France, mais sympa comme sport. Ah, c'est bien, au moins t'as essayé. Hein. Au moins t'as essayé le sport. Dommage, t'es pas dans un endroit qui permet de vraiment s'investir dans ce sport, même si tu l'apprécies. C'est tout. République aussi, mon ami. Ça joue beaucoup. Ouais, c'est ça. République, c'est leur sport. Leur sport, c'est le baseball.
Cristiano
Le curling, ça me fait trop rire. Ah ouais, les gars qui font le ballet, là.
Ronaldo 1v1 a random guy. But before that, let's see how an amateur golfer tees off against a professional. To my left is Bryson DeChambeau, 2-time major golf champion winner. And to my right is Aaron. And obviously,
Au golf, je connais que
Bryson,
Tiger
I
Woods.
think it's fair to say, is a better golfer.
Yeah.
That's why your hole will be 50 times bigger than his hole.
All right.
There's $100 grand on the line. You win. I wire it in your bank account tomorrow. You win. I'll give it to any charity you want.
I can literally fit in this hole. That's how big it is.
The hole is 330 yards away. How many
Le curling, à un
hits
moment,
do
je
you
me suis
think
vraiment surpris
You think 4?
Maybe.
à me poser et regarder vraiment le curling.
All the way over there, first swing.
Yeah, just knock it in the hole. No putts.
How does that even make sense?
Genetics.
Genetic?
Vous êtes jamais posé puis vous regardez vraiment un match de curling. En mode, ils sont là, ils frottent, ils frottent, ils frottent, ils frottent, ils frottent, ils frottent. En plus, les plus forts dedans, c'est les Asiatiques. Je regardais un match, les Asiatiques, ils sont trop loin. Et puis, c'est pas compris de l'extérieur, ça paraît chiant pour le golf. C'est ça. Alors, quel plaisir quand tu frappes la balle. Non, c'est un plaisir vraiment quand tu frappes la balle. Même le lancer, hein. J'ai des potes, et ils ont fait du baseball pendant longtemps quand ils étaient jeunes. Genre, c'était des bons lanceurs, en fait. Ils étaient connus pour être des bons lanceurs. Ils avaient des bonnes vitesses de balle. Ouais, à ce qui paraît, genre, même le lancer, ça fait plaisir.
Let's see what happens. $100,000 on the line. Whenever you're ready. Oh, wow.
Ok. Il est bon.
That's pretty dang good.
Thanks, Bryson.
I'm actually really impressed right now that you didn't hit it on the water. Very impressed.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Hurry up. One hole, Bryson.
All right.
One. Just swing the club.
One of the best
Swing
golfers on the planet.
Il essaie de le déconcentrer, quoi.
I don't even know where it went.
Oh, that might be like way over.
Wow!
But
That might have gone in the water, actually.
I'm impressed.
the hole's that way, but the ball went that way.
How would you rate your first shot out of 10?
Not good.
All right, right here's your ball. We know because it's blue. and
Par
you
contre, la
can see
puissance du lancer,
it's
c'est
a
quelque
great
chose.
shot for the hole.
If Bryson hit it in the water,
Oh my gosh.
I'm better than him.
Bryce, let's go find your ball. Just because Bryson can hit the ball further doesn't mean it's always a good thing. So before we let Aaron hit, let's see if Bryson will be penalized for his distance. All right, we're looking for his ball. We're getting close to the hole.
It should be up by the green, if anything.
We'll see about that.
This is not looking good, folks.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it.
Nope.
The ball went in the water, so when we place Bryson's ball back onto the golf course, that will count as his second stroke, which means he'll be hitting his third stroke next.
Wow.
Ok, ok,
All right,
ok, ok.
Aaron, let's see what you can do.
Technically speaking, he can hit it right now and hit 100 grand.
This is the one. Oh, oh! Where'd I hit it? Right at the hole.
Ok, c'est un amateur, mais il s'est lancé, il sait jouer.
No way. Oh, it's right next to your ball.
What? Are you kidding me?
What are the odds they're so close?
With his game and my game, it's
Yeah.
crazy odds.
Wow.
That's a compliment, by the way.
Thank
That's
you.
A compliment. Okay.
First one today.
Have you ever used the Yahoo Sports app?
Yeah, I use it for fantasy.
J'étais
Okay,
catcheur
yeah,
en
exactly. They have a
défense,
new
je
game
kiffais
called
trop.
Daily Draw,
Okay.
which we're announcing here.
Is
Tiger
Jimmy
Woods,
really
il
doing
était
an ad right now? In this very intense.
Tiger Woods, eh bien, il a changé le sport. Tellement il était fort. C'est pas il était fort, il a changé le sport, il a changé les règles du golf. Tellement il était fort. On a dû changer le matériel à cause de lui. On a changé les balles, on a tout changé. Il était juste trop fort par rapport à tout le monde. T'as vu comment il frappe là? Mais Tiger Woods, eh bien, il frappait encore plus loin. Il a changé de femme. Ouais, aussi. Aussi. Il a tout changé dans sa vie. Les femmes, le sport, tout.
Moment. This is a big swing, which is why while he's doing it, I want to tell you about the brand new game on the Yahoo Sports app. Oh, that's very high up.
There it is. There it is. Short of the green. Very short of the green. I can see it because it's blue.
Are you happy with that swing?
I just need like just classic Bryson, just miss a putt. And
Il avait pas assez de 18 trous, le fou.
should be right. Wow.
Daily Draw is a free-to-play game available on the Yahoo Sports app. Oh, that's a great swing. It's a phenomenal swing.
Oh, that's looking good. That's looking good. Oh, it's so close.
And in Daily Draw, you get cards, and you can use them to try to predict the outcomes of games. If you predict correctly, you could win.
All right, I'm gonna putt this.
Whenever you're ready. If you took the shot he's about to take 100 times,
I'd make it 100.
okay,
Yeah.
your whole life led you to this moment. Will this putt win you 100 grand?
Il la met, il gagne tout de suite là. Il gagne le. Waouh. Il avait tellement bien joué.
It got caught on the grass.
That might have been the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen.
I actually kind of feel a little bad.
Yeah, what happened, buddy?
I want to give the charity.
And before what could be the final swing, click the link in the description, download the Yahoo Sports app right now, and we're going to be giving $100,000 to people who get the Mr. Beast card in their Daily Draw packs. That's $10,000 each day for 10 days straight, starting on December 20th. And if you with us while you're on set.
Oh, il a.
Are you kidding me?
You gotta make that, Bryson.
You know what? I think you need some encouragement. We're going to bring in your wife.
Have you seen me?
I've been watching you from the.
Je tiens à rappeler que c'est un pro contre un amateur là. Hein. Je tiens à le rappeler. En suivante, attente de caractère. Et ça même à soigner son addiction au.
Yeah.
Tell him it doesn't matter if he
Je savais pas qu'il avait une addiction carrément.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my heart's gonna explode.
Attends,
gonna
je
try
vais
my
te
best.
le truc.
He did! Massive! Let's go, Bryson! This will be clipped all over Instagram if you missed. Okay. Somehow you guys tied, so we're gonna take these balls. Aaron, you'll hit from there.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. That went farther.
All right, let's have some fun. For the tiebreaker, moment of truth.
Oh no.
Oh,
Nolan, watch out.
Oh no.
that was a rocket.
My wife's laughing. I hear her. This hurts even more now.
He gave it a valiant effort to finish the job.
Oh, that's a great.
J'ai entendu ma femme se foutre de Michael, ça me fait encore plus
Aaron
mal.
hit the ball in the water. We'll put his ball here. That is his swing. Back to the golf professional.
I need to finish this.
Okay. Oh,
That's it.
he
Oh.
rimmed out and came towards me.
You got a chance, bro. You got a
Trying, dude. I
chance.
suck at golf.
I just can't shake this guy.
Yo, c'est vraiment serré en plus, hein. Il est pas mauvais.
Oh, that looks good.
No, it's not.
There it goes, right over our heads.
Oh,
I hate this game. If Bryson misses this, I have a chance.
Last swing.
Oh, it was a pleasure and an honor.
You wanna know something that might cheer you up?
What's that?
How about the most popular person I've ever had in a video? But before we hang out with Ronaldo, we're gonna head back to the racetrack. Because I wanted to give someone else a shot at defeating Noah Lyles.
La fameuse
I
course.
had the perfect person.
On l'a tous vu sur les réseaux.
He's calling me right now, y'all.
Yo, Speed.
En 2009, he spent 6 weeks at
You
the...
wanna lose, man?
I actually in my stream right now and drive it right now.
And I couldn't believe it, but Speed actually showed up to race Noah.
Oh, are you ready, man?
Every moment was made for me, buddy.
Hey, you know my name's Speed, right?
You gave yourself that name. That's so cute.
This time, Speed, arguably the fastest content creator on the planet.
Oh, ok, ok,
thinks he
ok,
can
ok.
beat the fastest man on the planet.
Comme Mike Tyson aussi. Mike Tyson aussi, il a expliqué qu'il avait,
Oh my God.
I'm gonna steal it from
qu'il
you,
avait une
man.
addiction.
If you win again, that's another $100,000 for your charity. If Speed wins, we'll give $100 grand to one of his fans.
After the second step, you will lose all hope, and you will want to stop the race. Do not stop this race.
My name's Speed, man. You about to really be in for a shock, bro.
All right, this race is going to be 50 meters. And if Speed somehow wins, he'll officially become the fastest man on the planet. Gentlemen, you both ready?
Let's go.
You know
Non,
what?
pour de vrai, on parle, genre, je vois beaucoup sur les réseaux, ça parle de ses qualités athlétiques, mais ouais. This nigga is athletic. Regardez les mollets. Non, il y a des vraies qualités. Quand tu touches à l'argent.
All right, let's go, baby.
On your mark. Set.
Oh, they're going. Oh, Speed's ahead. Speed's actually ahead.
Oh, he's got a chance. He might.
Des vraies qualités athlétiques. Non, Speed a des vraies qualités.
Oh my God, Speed, it's gonna be close. Oh my God, that was so close. That was the
C'était
top.
super serré.
That was the top.
Let's watch the video.
That was the top.
I'm gonna go get my money. Ah.
Just bringing you this ultra slow-mo camera. You guys want to see it?
I don't want to see it. Bro, that was a tie.
Then why's the tape on me?
Because you stinky, you sweating.
You sweating too.
What charity do you want me to donate this $100 grand to?
I'd love for Speed to have it, but the kids I'm working for need it more.
Oh
Mais
my
bon,
God!
fondation, non.
Now, before we go hang out with Ronaldo, in our final 1v1 matchup, I want to tell you that on December 19th, we are launching the greatest reality series ever made, with all 10 mind-blowing episodes dropping globally on Prime Video. This show features the most jaw-dropping content ever released on TV.
Oh, je suis bête,
But I'll tell you more
c'est
about it later because
écrit en
right
bas.
now, it is finally time to meet up with
Il a
the
pas aboyé,
biggest
malheureusement.
guest I have ever had on this channel. Cristiano
Il a pas fait
Ronaldo.
ce qu'on attend de lui.
$1 million. Khalid is going to be going head-to-head against the ultimate football phenomenon, Cristiano Ronaldo. The thing standing between you and this $1 million in your bank account is Ronaldo.
I put my lucky shirt with Mr. Beast.
Oh!
My number one fan.
He's your number one fan?
I'm his number one fan.
You're stuttering, you're nervous. Lock in. This is a lot of money. The rules of this contest are simple. Both of you will be taking shots at the targets on the goal. First to hit 3 targets wins. And if Khalid can somehow beat Ronaldo,
Il va jamais gagner.
$1 million.
Can I just take it with me?
No, you gotta beat him first. What are the odds you think you beat Ronaldo?
Honestly, I think it's a 50-50.
Do you agree with that?
50-50.
Okay, yeah. Whenever you're ready, it is on you. 100 million people watching.
Mais il est tellement délusionnel pour avoir dit 50-50.
Ronaldo, it's your turn.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, they both missed, they both missed. I think that was probably the only blessing you're gonna get this whole video. This may be your last chance to get ahead.
Ouh!
Excuse me, Ronaldo.
Ah, j'espère.
You are currently beating Ronaldo.
Wow. But you need two more.
Oh my gosh.
Il t'en
This
faut
is
deux.
a lot. No, this is not a lot. You have to win. Wow.
All right, let's see why you're the GOAT. Khalid, you can become a millionaire. 2 more. What is going on?
Non, passe pas, passe pas.
Oh, so close. All right, now Ronaldo has a chance.
Ronaldo, il fait exprès ou quoi?
Let's see if he hits it.
Non, il fait exprès.
Khalid, with this ball, you're gonna
hit?
Yes.
You just blessed that ball.
I believe in
I
you.
think Ronaldo wants me to lose $1 million. All right, let's see it, Khalid. As unbelievable as this seems, Khalid is now up by 2, which means the only way Ronaldo can now win is by hitting all 3 targets before Khalid hits 1. You think you can hit the next 3 in a row?
Honest? No.
Oh, really? Okay.
I'm not confident.
This could be the start of the biggest comeback in history.
Wesh.
Oh my god, this might be it. This literally might be it.
Khalid, this is your chance to win $1 million and change your life forever.
Khalid, let's go. Good luck.
Il aurait tout faire 3 frappes, il a eu qu'un. Le ballon, il est vraiment téléguidé. Mérité, 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 mérité.
Proud of you, my friend.
Here is $1 million! Hey, Ronaldo, can you tell him to subscribe?
Yes. All the guys who follow Cristiano, they have to subscribe. Mr. Beast.
That's not what I said, but I'll take it. In the video. On December 19th, I'm officially dropping the long-awaited Beast Games only on Prime Video.
Non, il pourra dire à ses enfants, j'ai battu CR7 et en plus c'est filmé. Hein. Ça c'est fou ça. Ils sont peu à pouvoir dire ça. Hein. J'ai battu CR7. CR7, ouais, je le connais, ouais. Je l'ai battu. Je l'ai battu, c'est mon petit. C'est mon petit. Il a fait un aller-retour faire 3 frappes. Il a eu plus qu'1 million. Putain, c'est les 1 million les plus facilement gagnés que j'ai vu de ma vie.
I gathered 1,000 contestants to compete for $5 million, the biggest cash prize in entertainment history. With 10 episodes of pure chaos, betrayal, and the highest stakes ever filmed in history, you have to see what happens. Every single episode is 1,000 times better than anything I've ever done before. Mark December 19th on your calendar. You won't want to miss it.
Waouh! Squid Game où ça? Sur la lune? Même moi j'ai pas compris. Et franchement, MrBeast c'est un des gars qui a le mieux rentabilisé le concept de Squid Game. Il a renta. Il en a fait au moins 20 des vidéos sur Squid Game. Il veut pas lâcher le